All right, guys, we have a Galaxy S8 phone here, and we have a 4-pound sledgehammer that we're about to drop on this. So we're gonna go up maybe about a foot, see what happens. As you can see, it did nothing to the phone. All right, so we're gonna go up about 2 feet. Nothing. 4-pound sledgehammer. So let's go ahead and bring out our 8-pound sledgehammer and see what happens here. So we're gonna go up about a foot, fully intending for this thing to break. Oh my gosh. Perfectly fine. So if it doesn't break right now, I swear. All right, so we're going up 2 feet-ish. Is that about 2 feet? Oh, are you serious? Look, check it out. Nothing's wrong with this phone. Make sure I got this in focus, yeah. So now I'm just for the heck of it, I'm gonna leave the phone on and I'm gonna go up 3 feet-ish. There's no way this won't break now. Yeah. So it took 3 feet at 8 pounds to do some damage to this phone. So, oh, and by the way, so it literally just, the hammer went through the device. So I don't think anything would protect a phone whatsoever if the hammer is actually going to make its way through the entire device. So, yeah!